little chicks in the barnyard light, pecking up the ground from morning to night. Fluffy yellow feathers dancing in the sun. Oh, those little chicks are having so much fun. Peep, 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 they sing so sweet. Tiny little feet go tweet, tweet, tweet. Round and round they run in a silly parade. 5 little chicks in the sunny glade. One found a worm and gave it a tug. Another found a beetle hiding in the rug. They chirp and they chatter as they wander and roam. 5 little chicks in the barnyard home. The rooster calls out with a big cock-a-doodle. The chicks start to wiggle like a happy noodle. Mama hen clucks as she keeps them in sight. 5 little chicks make the day so bright. Peep, 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 they sing so sweet. Tiny little feet go tweet, tweet, tweet. Round and round they run in a silly parade. 5 little chicks in the sunny glade. When the sun dips low and the sky turns pink, they gather round Mama as quick as a wink. Snuggling together in the soft hay bed, dreaming of the morning and the fun ahead.